Hey, I'm Matthew West here at Guideposts, and this is me. This is my CD. It's called The Heart of Christmas, and I hope you like it. Well, the title song, The Heart of Christmas, a lot of the lyrics came after reading a script. I was given a script to a movie that had yet to be titled. And to back up a little bit more, the reason why there was a script in front of me was because of another song I had written, a song called One Last Christmas, that told the true story of a little boy named Dax. This little boy, Dax Locke, received his care at St. Jude's Children's Research Hospital in Memphis, Tennessee. It dawned on the father, Austin, that his little boy, if the doctors were right, that 4 to 6 weeks meant that Dax wasn't going to get to see Christmas. So he decided, even though it was early in the fall, that he was going to decorate their house for Christmas in honor of their little boy so that he could see all the lights one last time and that their family and Dax could have one last Christmas. What happened next was nothing short of amazing. The neighbors found out what was going on, and they too decided to put up their Christmas decorations in honor of Dax. Well, soon the local news caught on, and by the middle of fall, every house in that town was decorated for Christmas. So people were going trick-or-treating, but there's no fall decorations, it's all Christmas decorations. All about this community rallying together to show support for Dax. Well, unfortunately, these parents did lose their child, but they've chosen for his legacy to live on in the form of all the children and future children who are going to be cared for by St. Jude's. And this mother especially is on a mission. She is determined to raise $1.6 million for St. Jude's. That's how much it costs to run the hospital for one day. You can understand why this story touched my heart so much, and I wanted to use my platform as a singer, as a songwriter, whatever I can do to help team up with them and raise money for, I can think of very few other more worthy causes. St. Jude's and the work that they're doing is incredible. And a producer in LA heard this song, One Last Christmas, that I had written, and decided that the story of this little boy needed to be told through film. So they were making a movie, and they asked me to read the script and the new storylines that had been written into the script in addition to the true story. And my job was to read the script and hopefully write a new song that captured the real essence and the message of the movie. The central theme of that movie and that script is cherish the moments. If there's someone in your life that you love, make sure they know it. And really the reality that it doesn't matter what time of year it is, you can find the heart of Christmas, which is love and joy and peace and thinking about someone else's needs beyond just your own. Those are all those elements that if we could carry those throughout the year, the heart of Christmas can remain with us. And that's how that song came to be, and now, as a result, the movie is called The Heart of Christmas.
I'm gonna make a wish this Christmas. I'm gonna say a little prayer. I'm gonna stop here for a moment before the moment disappears. The world's in a hurry this December. The city streets and shopping malls. I wish we could slow down and remember the meaning of it all. Wherever you are, no matter how far, come back to the heart of Christmas. Live while you can and cherish the moment and the ones that you love. Make sure they know it and don't miss it. The heart of Christmas. Oh, oh. So let's make it feel the way it used used to. Let's find the wonder of a child. You can see the magic all around you. Come on, just open up your eyes. You can find it in the warm embrace of your family, or calling up a long-lost friend. You can even find it in the eyes of a stranger when you reach out a helping hand. Wherever you are, no matter how far, come back to the heart of Christmas. Live while you can, cherish the moment and the ones that you love. Make sure they know it and don't miss it. The heart of Christmas. In the shadow of a steeple, in a star that lights the way, you will find him in a manger. The heart of Christmas has a name. I'm gonna make a wish this Christmas. I'm gonna say a little prayer. Wherever you are, no matter how far, come back to the heart of Christmas. Live while you can and cherish the moment and the ones that you love. Make sure they know it and don't miss it. The heart of Christmas.